Am I the only one that didn't know Usain Bolt started on a dirt track in Jamaica? From the small town of Sherwood, Content, Jamaica, rose a legend who would change the world of athletics forever. Usain Bolt, known for his tall frame and effortless stride, began his sprinting career in school, quickly showing promise as he dominated local races. In 2008, Bolt stunned the world by winning the 100m and 200m gold at the Beijing Olympics, breaking world records with ease. He repeated the feat in London 2012, cementing his place in history. Bolt's charisma, sportsmanship and dominance on the track made him more than an athlete. He became a global icon, inspiring millions with his electrifying performances. In 2017, Bolt retired as an 8-time Olympic gold medalist and 11-time world champion. His impact on the sport and his role as a global ambassador for Jamaica live on. Usain Bolt, forever the fastest man on earth and a legend that transcends sport.